are staying at the Wilderness Lodge. This is my first time ever staying at Disney World Deluxe Resort, so I'm gonna give you a room tour. All right, as soon as you enter, to the right you have closet space, hangers. Over here you have more closet space with a safe. To the left you have the coffee station, which has this really cute photo of Bambi and Friend Owl with the Keurig. Check this out. You have cups and Joffrey's 50th anniversary coffee. Down below here we have our fridge. And we have the king size bed with a balcony. I'll show you the balcony in a minute. Good size TV. Paul Bunyan artwork. And these rooms have just been remodeled. Got a desk with USB plugs. Over here you have this really pretty light, which I'll show you the bathroom. And it goes through to the bathroom. And you can't see through it. And here is shower. More artwork. Over here you have the shower. Still have the pumps, even in a deluxe resort. Yeah, it's really nice. Over here you have a seating area, and if you look into this wallpaper, you have Chip 'n Dale. It does have Disney elements, which are subtle, and I like that. So now we open this up, and we have a balcony. Corner room, and you can see the lake out there, and also the pool. Wilderness Lodge also has its own geyser, which goes off, I believe, every half an hour. One of the best parts of staying at Wilderness Lodge is taking the boat over to the Magic Kingdom. And now we're just going to explore more of what Wilderness Lodge has. Over here's the pool area, which has a really cool water slide, and it's really spacious. And right there is our room, hidden with the trees. One of my favorite parts about Wilderness Lodge is the fact that you can watch Electrical Water Pageant right from your hotel.
The sparkle of Disney's Electrical Water Pageant. From all of us to all of you here at Disney's Wilderness Lodge, we bid you folks good night.
I honestly can't get over how gorgeous this resort is. Now it's time to go to the arcade where they have pinball, video games, a little bit of everything, and I'm going to kick Andrew's butt. Andrew's up.
Good save. No!
So over in the DVC area, there's actually a train room which holds some of Walt Disney's personal train memorabilia.
There's literally a book called Walt Disney's Railroad Story.
I highly recommend staying at Wilderness Lodge. It's now our go-to resort and where we will be staying every single time we come to Disney now.